Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can create and insert a formula into your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So navigate to your sheet or project sheet on Smartsheet. Let me go with this table here. So what you want to do, guys, is click into the given cell you would like to apply the formula to. Like, for example, let us go with this one here. And it's just a simple example, guys. Let's assume I would like to create a formula that adds all assigned members for these tasks and sums these up so that you may have a summary of all assigned members to these tasks in total. So what you want to do is select the given cell, and after that click into formulas here at the top. Make sure that the table view is enabled for this. So let me go with formula here. That is going to open up that menu here to the right. So you may use these formulas to calculate cells like these here. So once the given window has been opened here to the right with the formula, guys, you will see the equal sign already added, so you don't have to add this one. Basically, all you will need to do, guys, you may simply, for instance, enter the given value if you like, if you know how to write these formulas. I, however, consider it pretty complicated, so they have made this pretty easy by simply, guys, giving users the opportunity to select the given cell and to add them to your calculation formula. You will see that cursor that has turned into that cross here. So click into the given cell, and that is going to add the given value here to your formula. Next, add the given action, which is plus or minus, or I don't know, let me go with plus because I would like to sum these cells up. Click into the next cell, plus, and another cell, and another plus, and the last cell as well. Let's click into it. And that's basically it. If you'd like to sum all of these cells up and add them to each other, click into apply here. And there you go. As you can see, the formula has been applied. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 makes 12. So it's a very simple example, guys, but that's basically how you use these formulas in your sheets on Smartsheet. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.